everyone, it's Natasha of natashaskitchen.com, and today I'm gonna show you how to make our go-to breakfast burritos. These are make ahead, freezer friendly, and perfect for busy mornings, camping, everything. I hope these become a new favorite for you. Let's get started. We'll start with the egg filling. In a medium mixing bowl, combine 6 large eggs with a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper and 2 tablespoons of sour cream. Whisk those together thoroughly to combine. Now add 2 ounces of your favorite chopped ham, and we're using Black Forest ham. Stir to combine and set the egg mixture aside. Next, thinly slice half a pound of white or brown mushrooms. The mushrooms are optional and the breakfast burritos will still work great without them, but they do add great flavor. Now place a large skillet over medium heat and add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the mushrooms to the hot pan and saute for about 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. Season lightly with salt and pepper. Saute until the mushrooms have evaporated any excess juice and they're lightly browned. Remove the mushrooms from the pan, then add a tablespoon of butter. Once the butter is hot and melted, add your egg mixture. Scramble the eggs for about 3 minutes or until they're just cooked through but still moist. To ensure that you don't overcook your eggs, as soon as they're ready, take them off the heat and transfer them to a separate dish. Now we're ready to assemble these breakfast burritos. You'll need 6 medium 8-inch diameter flour tortillas. Spread a tablespoon of sour cream in the center of your tortilla. Top that with 1/6 of the cooked eggs and a generous amount of shredded mozzarella cheese. Add 1/6 of the mushrooms if you're using them, and also 1 to 2 tablespoons of diced fresh tomatoes. The tomatoes are optional and we leave them out if we're freezing the burritos. Roll the burrito from top to bottom. Tuck the top flap firmly around your filling, then fold the edges in tightly and roll to secure. Repeat this process with the remaining burritos. It's easiest to make burritos using a fresh package of tortillas. To ensure the tortillas remain soft and easy to roll, keep them in their packaging until you're ready to use them. If you're planning to make these ahead and store them in the freezer, wrap them individually in parchment paper. And it's a good idea to label them with a Sharpie so you know what's inside. Transfer the wrapped burritos to a freezer-safe Ziploc bag and keep them stored in the freezer for up to 1 month. And I'm telling you, once these are thawed and sauteed, they are just as good as freshly made breakfast burritos. The best way to heat these is in a skillet. So place a large skillet over medium heat and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is hot, transfer the burritos to the pan with the folded side down and cook without turning until the bottom is golden brown. Cook all sides until a beautiful golden brown, which is about 2 minutes per side, and add more oil if needed. The outside will be crisp all over and the filling will be hot. All right, we are gonna go right into the taste test because these are the very best when they are hot and fresh. All right. I'm gonna cut this in half so you can take a look inside. They are delicious. All right, the moment of truth. Take a look inside. Oh, these are so cheesy. My favorite. Okay, here we go, the taste test. The ultimate breakfast on the go. I mean, such a treat. Mm. 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 They are packed with flavor by themselves. If you like to add a little bit of hot sauce, you can, but seriously, just by themselves, they are so delicious, scrumptious. And I love the crust on the outside. It's got like this crispy outside and moist inside. It seals in all the fluffiness of the eggs. And after these are thawed and cooked, it tastes just like fresh. Literally amazing. Oh, and I love that you can put anything you want into these, any kind of veggies that you want to saute in. Pack these, make them your own. If you've never sauteed your breakfast burritos before, I am telling you, it is next level. And the ones we've got in the freezer, we're gonna take them to camp this weekend and throw them on our Camp Chef flat top, saute them up. Ooh, talk about breakfast of champions. If you're looking for more make-ahead breakfasts to make your life easier, check out some of our all-time favorites right over there, and make sure to try that right down there. So good. If you enjoyed this video, please give us a great big thumbs up below. Make sure to click below to subscribe, and when you do, click that little bell icon so you'll get notifications every time we post a new recipe. We'll see you in our next video.